How to recover Spotify account without email or password. So if you want to recover your Spotify account without email or password, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So for that you just need to visit the support section of Spotify. So simply open up to any browser. Here I am with Google Chrome, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for support.spotify.com. Once you search for that, you'll be able to see this interface like this, where there are various topics on help. So here just scroll a little bit and go for can't remember login details. And here is an article for helping you to recover your account. Since you can easily reset your password, you just have to go for reset your password. And here you have to enter your email address or username related to your Spotify account, and you can reset your password easily. Once you are able to reset your password, you can enter it on the text box and you can easily log into your Spotify account. You can also go back and check for the other options over here, which is like for Facebook login help and Apple login help. If you have created your Spotify account using your Facebook or Apple, then you can just go for there and you'll be happy to do so. So this is how easily you can recover Spotify account without email or password. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.